उस लड़के में तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like in that boy? What do you like in that boy? मुझ में तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like in me? What do you like in me? क्या इंसान है आप? What a person you are. What a person you are. क्या लड़की है वो? What a girl she is. What a girl she is. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? अगला टॉपिक क्या था? What was the next topic? What was the next topic? वो आज क्या परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं? What are they performing today? What are they performing today? आपका पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? आपकी विशेषता क्या है? What's your quality? What's your quality? मुझे दे दो जो कुछ भी तुम्हारे पास है. Give me whatever you have. Give me whatever you have. जो कुछ मैंने चाहा मुझे वो मिला. Whatever I wanted, I got that. Whatever I wanted, I got that. जो कुछ भी तुमने कहा गलत है. Whatever you said is wrong. Whatever you said is wrong. जो कुछ भी आप चूज करते हो वो मेरा है. Whatever you choose is mine. Whatever you choose is mine. आप कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मैं अयांश के साथ हूँ जो मेरा बेटा है. I am with अयांश who is my son. I am with अयांश who is my son. आपको कौन सी बुक चाहिए? Which book do you want? Which book do you want? कौन सी जगह आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है? Which places do you like the most? Which places do you like the most? तुम्हें दवाई चाहिए पर कौन सी? You need a medicine but which one? You need a medicine but which one? मैं एक किताब ढूंढ रहा हूँ जो कि लाल कलर की है. I am looking for a book which is in red color. I am looking for a book which is in red color. एंड्रॉयड और विंडोज़ फ़ोन्स में से तुम्हें ज़्यादा पसंद कौन सा है? विच वन डू यू प्रेफर, एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन्स और विंडोज़ फ़ोन्स? विच वन डू यू प्रेफर, एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन्स और विंडोज़ फ़ोन्स? शादी के लिए आप कौन सा चूज़ करोगी? विच वन वुड यू चूज़ फॉर वेडिंग? विच वन वुड यू चूज़ फॉर वेडिंग? किस कॉलेज से हो आप? विच कॉलेज आर यू फ्रॉम? Which college are you from? ये डिब्बा खाली है जिसमें बहुत सारे फूल थे. The box is empty which had many flowers. This box is empty which had many flowers. आप कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? कौन जानता है? Who knows? Who knows? कौन कौन जानते हैं? Who all know? Who all know? किसने कहा? Who said? Who said? इस तस्वीर को किसने पेंट किया? Who painted this picture? Who painted this picture? वो लड़की कौन है? Who is that girl? Who is that girl? वो लड़का कौन है? Who is that boy? Who is that boy? इस सेल्फी में ये कौन है? Who is this in this selfie? Who is this in this selfie? गिटार कौन बजा रहा है? Who is playing the guitar? Who is playing the guitar? आपका पसंदीदा हीरो कौन है? Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor? आपके पसंदीदा एक्टर्स कौन कौन हैं? Who all are your favorite actors? Who all are your favorite actors? मुझे नहीं पता केक किसने बनाया. I don't know who made the cake. I don't know who made the cake. सवाल ये है कौन इस प्रोजेक्ट को करेगा? द क्वेश्चन इज हु विल डू दिस प्रोजेक्ट. द क्वेश्चन इज हु विल डू दिस प्रोजेक्ट. आज रात कौन गाने वाला है? हु इज गोइंग टू सिंग टुनाइट? हु इज गोइंग टू सिंग टुनाइट? इंडिया का पहला प्रधानमंत्री कौन था? हु वॉज द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? हु वॉज द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? इस तस्वीर को कौन बना सकता है? हु कैन मेक दिस पिक्चर? हु कैन मेक दिस पिक्चर? आपकी राय क्या है? कौन मैच जीतेगा? What is your opinion? Who will win the match? What is your opinion? Who will win the match? IT डिपार्टमेंट में राहुल कौन है? Who is राहुल in IT डिपार्टमेंट? Who is राहुल in IT डिपार्टमेंट? अगला सुपरस्टार कौन होगा? Who will be the next superstar? Who will be the next superstar? किसको आइसक्रीम चाहिए? Who wants ice cream? Who wants ice cream? कौन खाना पकाएगा? Who will cook the food? Who will cook? वो मेरा दोस्त है जिसने तुम्हें कॉल किया था. That is my friend who had called you. That is my friend who had called you. जो कोई मुझे जानता है मुझसे प्यार करता है. Whoever knows me loves me. Whoever knows me loves me. जो कोई भी यहाँ है राहुल उसके साथ बात करना चाहता है. राहुल wants to speak with whoever is here. राहुल wants to speak with whoever is here. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? तुम अंदर क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? Why did he quit the job? Why did he quit the job? तुमने ये टेनिस टेबल क्यों खरीदी? Why did you buy this tennis table? Why did you buy this tennis table? तुमने बॉक्स ओपन क्यों किया? Why did you open the box? Why did you open the box? हम पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर क्यों ना करें? Why shall we not order pizza? Why shall we not order pizza? तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? आज तुम इतने थके हुए क्यों हो? Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today? तुम एक्टर क्यों बनना चाहते हो? Why do you want to become an actor? Why do you want to become an actor? आज सुबह तुम लेट क्यों थे? Why were you late this morning? Why were you late this morning? क्या मैं पूछ सकती हूँ क्यों? May I ask you why? May I ask you why? तुम वहाँ से क्यों भागे? Why did you run from there? Why did you run from there? तुम निराश क्यों हो? Why are you disappointed? Why are you disappointed? उसने उसके बारे में उसे क्यों नहीं कहा? Why didn't she tell him about it? Why didn't she tell him about it? वे उस बिल्डिंग के आसपास क्यों घूम रहे हैं? Why are they walking around that building? Why are they walking around that building? वो सब अच्छे से जानते हैं रिया क्यों दुखी है. They all know very well why Riya is upset. They all know very well why Riya is upset. आज तुम इतने लेट क्यों हो? Why are you so late today? Why are you so late today? यह पंखा काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? Why is this fan not working? Why is this fan not working? तुम कब पढ़ाई करते हो? When do you study? When do you study? यह कब शुरू होता है? When does it start? When does it start? तुमने ये साड़ी कब खरीदी? When did you buy this साड़ी? When did you buy this साड़ी? तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? रवि बाहर था जब मैंने कॉल किया. रवि was out when I called. रवि was out when I called. तुम्हारी परीक्षा कब है? When is your exam? When is your exam? हम कब पहुंचेंगे? When will we arrive? When will we arrive? तुमने फ़ोन कब चेंज किया? When did you change your phone? When did you change your phone? जब कभी तुम्हारे पास समय हो मुझे मैसेज करना. Whenever you have time, message me. Whenever you have time, message me. जब मैं जवान था तो अच्छे से तैर सकता था. When I was young, I could swim well. When I was young, I could swim well. जब मैं घर आया शिखा रो रही थी। When I came home, शिखा was crying. When I came home, शिखा was crying. जब वो 20 साल की थी उसकी शादी हो गई। When she was 20, she got married. When she was 20, she got married. मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूँगा जब हम जाएंगे। I will call you when we go. I will call you when we go. काजल उससे कब मिलेगी? When will काजल meet him? When will काजल meet him? तुम कब सोए? When did you sleep? When did you sleep? पायल कहाँ थी जब उसके पेरेंट्स आए? Where was पायल when her parents turned up? Where was पायल when her parents turned up? सुमित के अंकल घर कब आएंगे? When will Sumit's uncle come home? When will Sumit's uncle come home? जब कभी मैं आऊँगा हम मूवी देखने चलेंगे। Whenever I come, we will go for a movie. Whenever I come, we will go for a movie. मैंने अपने दिल की बात उससे कही जब कभी मुझे मौका मिला। I spoke my heart to her whenever I got a chance. I spoke my heart to her whenever I got a chance. आप कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? तुम्हारा भाई कैसा है? How is your brother? How is your brother? तुम्हारी छुट्टियां कैसी रही? How were your holidays? How were your holidays? आज का शो कैसा था? How was today's show? How was today's show? तुम्हारे पापा कितने साल के हैं? How old is your father? How old is your father? तुम्हारी कार कितनी लंबी है? How long is your car? How long is your car? वो कैसे जाता है? How does he go? How does he go? मुझे नहीं पता वेज बिरयानी कैसे बनानी है। I don't know how to cook veg biryani. I don't know how to cook veg biryani. तुमने इस मूवी को कितना एंजॉय किया? How much did you enjoy this movie? How much did you enjoy this movie? आपके कितने बच्चे हैं? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? उसके कितने बच्चे हैं? How many children does he have? How many children does he have? आपके कितने बच्चे थे? How many children did you have? How many children did you have? मेरे बेटे को कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए कितना पढ़ना चाहिए? How much should my son study for competitive exams? How much should my son study for competitive exams? मुझे कपड़े धोने हैं। I have to wash the clothes. I have to wash the clothes. आपका भाई कहाँ काम करता है? Where does your brother work? Where does your brother work? आपने ये पुस्तक कहाँ से ली? Where did you take this book from? Where did you take this book from? क्या झगड़ा है? What's the conflict? What's the conflict? Else, what's the dispute? What's the dispute? वो अभी अभी गया है। He has just gone or तुम कल कहाँ जाओगी? Where will you go tomorrow? Where will you go tomorrow? तुम ऐसी बकवास क्यों करते हो? Why do you talk such nonsense? Why do you talk such nonsense? ऐसी बात नहीं है। It's nothing like that. It's nothing like that or nothing as such. Nothing as such. मैं नहीं मानता। I don't agree or I don't believe. I don't agree or I don't believe. उसे बुखार है। He has fever. He has fever or he is suffering from fever. He is suffering from fever. हमारे पास दो दुकानें हैं। We have two shops. We have two shops. तुम आज स्कूल क्यों नहीं गए? Why did you not go to school today? Why did you not go to school today? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? और what's the matter? What's the matter? जरा मैं तैयार हो लूं? Let me get ready. Let me get ready. घबराने की बात नहीं है। Not to worry. not to worry और nothing to worry about, nothing to worry about. तुम्हारे पास बहुत साड़ियां हैं. You have many sarees. You have many sarees. हमें खाना बनाना पड़ा था. We had to cook the food. We had to cook the food. रोशनी को गीत गाना पड़ा था. रोशनी had to sing a song. रोशनी had to sing a song. पिताजी को दिल्ली जाना पड़ा था. Father had to go to Delhi. Father had to go to Delhi. मैं भी साथ चलूं? May I accompany you? May I accompany? कि मैं सोच रहा था. Though I was thinking. Though I was thinking. इससे बेहतर कुछ हो नहीं सकता. Nothing could be better than this. Nothing could be better than this. हमें स्कूटर ठीक करना पड़ा था. We had to repair the scooter. We had to repair the scooter. आपको तुरंत यहाँ आना पड़ा था. You had to come here immediately. You had to come here immediately. समझ गए? चीजें हमारे बस में नहीं होती. Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. उसे माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी. He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. मेरा भाई पढ़ रहा है. My brother is studying. My brother is studying. वह बाजार जा रहे हैं. They are going to market. They are going to market. आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? मेरा एक काम करोगे? Would you do me a favor please? Would you do me a favor please? मैंने तुम्हारे साथ बहुत बुरा किया. I really did wrong to you. I really did wrong to you. आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? कंप्यूटर चालू करें क्या? Do we switch on the computer? Do we switch on the computer? क्या तुम्हें पता है? Do you know? Do you know? तुम कायर हो. You are coward. You are coward. अब वो काम से भाग नहीं सकता. He can't shirk the work now. He can't shirk the work now. हम नाश्ता कर रहे हैं. We are taking breakfast. We are taking breakfast. वह नहा रहा है. He is taking a bath. He is taking a bath. आप मुझसे नाराज हैं क्या? Are you annoyed with me? Are you annoyed with me? बताइए मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ. Tell me how can I help you? Tell me how can I help you? यह कमीज मैली है. This shirt is dirty. This shirt is dirty. यह कमीज फटी हुई है. This shirt is torn. This shirt is torn. बॉबी अभी आया है. Bobby has just arrived. Bobby has just arrived. उसने तुम्हें एक गिफ्ट भेजा है. He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. यह किसका मोबाइल नंबर है? Whose mobile number is this? Whose mobile number is this? तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है. She looks like you. She looks like you. किसी से मत मांगना. Don't ask anything from anybody. Don't ask anything from anybody. हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं. We have played cricket. We have played cricket. वह अपनी इच्छाएं पूरी कर चुका है. He has fulfilled his desires. He has fulfilled his desires. अब आपके पिताजी कैसे हैं? How is your father now? How is your father now? सबसे अच्छी शर्ट कौन सी है? Which shirt is the best? Which shirt is the best? तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? मेरे पास 20 रुपए कम है. I am short by 20 rupees. I am short by 20 rupees. मैं रात में देर से सोया था. I slept late last night. I slept late last night. तुमने हमेशा मुझे डांटा. You always scolded me. You always scolded me. ये शर्ट कितने की है? What is the cost of this shirt? What is the cost of this shirt? कितने दिन लगेंगे? How long will it take? How long will it take? खेलते हुए टांग पर चोट लग गई. I hurt my leg while playing. I hurt my leg while playing. उसकी नाक बह रही है. His nose is running. His nose is running. विनीता ने मधुर गीत गाया. विनीता sang a sweet song. विनीता sang a sweet song. उसका कल एक्सीडेंट हो गया. He met with an accident yesterday. He met with an accident yesterday. मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. कहने की जरूरत नहीं कि वो पागल है. Needless to say that he is mad. Needless to say that he is mad. पूछने की जरूरत नहीं, वो पहले से ही जानता है. Needless to ask, he already knows. Needless to ask, he already knows था. He had come after a long. He had come after a long. मैंने चैन की सांस ली. I took a sigh of relief. I took a sigh of relief. तुम अब चैन की सांस ले सकते हो. Now you can take a sigh of relief. Now you can take. मेरा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है. Your face reminds me of someone. Your face reminds me of someone. मेरे मामा ने तुम्हें पाला. My maternal uncle brought you up. My maternal uncle brought you up. मैं दिल्ली में पला बड़ा. I was brought up in Delhi. I was brought up in Delhi. उसने सोचा और सच कर दिया. He thought and materialized. He thought and materialized. मैं सपने साकार कर दूंगा. I will materialize the dreams. I will materialize the dreams. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ देता हूँ. I always stand by you. I always stand by you. उसने मेरा साथ दिया था. He had stood by me. He had stood by me. वो हकला रहा था. He was stammering. He was stammering. राहुल हकलाता है. राहुल stammers. राहुल stammers. क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What all can I eat? What all can I eat? आजकल काम बहुत है. There is a huge work pressure these days. There is a huge work pressure these days. लड़के चाय पी रहे थे. The boys were taking tea. The boys were taking tea. मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रही थी. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. यही मोबाइल मैं चाहता था. This is the very mobile I want. This is the very mobile I want. ये मेरी पुस्तकें हैं, वे तुम्हारी पुस्तकें हैं. These are my books, those are yours. These are my books, those are yours. मैंने पक्का मन बना लिया है कि मैं जाऊंगा. I am determined to go. I am determined to go. वह आजकल मौज में है. He is enjoying these days. He is enjoying these days. तुम मेज साफ कर रहे थे. You were cleaning the table. You were cleaning the table. मेरे मित्र दोषी थे. My friends were guilty. My friends were guilty. हमने शिमला में खूब आनंद लिया. We enjoyed a lot in Shimla. We enjoyed a lot in Shimla. तुम्हारे रूखे व्यवहार से उसे चोट पहुंची है. Your rude behavior has hurt him. Your rude behavior has hurt him. मैं आज ही नौकरी पर आया हूँ. I have joined today only. I have joined today only.